Hello, everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the Buzzaround Extreme Mobility Scooter and the Buzzaround LX Mobility Scooter, which are off-road capable scooters that come apart for easy transportation. And we're going to show you how to upgrade the batteries from traditional sealed lead-acid batteries to Dakota Lithium batteries. They're going to give you double the range. They're going to weigh half as much, and the process is pretty straightforward. So if you're interested in getting extended range, pay attention to this video and I'll show you how to do it. It's pretty straightforward. We're going to show you what tools you need and how to take care of the upgrade from start to finish. Now, the great thing about this is that it's going to reduce the weight of the battery packs by 50%. The Dakota Lithium batteries are also going to give you about twice the range. Now, before we get into the video, I do want to tell you that at the end of this video, I'm going to put a hidden message on the screen that's going to give you access to a secret discount code. So pay attention towards the end of the video if you want to take advantage of that offer. Keep in mind, we have tons of videos showing you what the Buzzaround Extreme and the Buzzaround LX are all about. We take you grocery shopping, fishing, off-road, and we talk about all the pros and the cons. If you're interested in learning more about these products, if you have any questions about them, please feel free to reach out to us or check out our YouTube channel to view all of the in-depth review videos we have for these two models. They're made by Golden Technologies. They include a 1-year in-home repair contract and an industry-leading parts warranty. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Not only by subscribing will you get updated when we release new videos, but you're also going to be automatically entered into our giveaway. That's right. We give away mobility scooters all the time to random people who subscribe to our channel and who leave a comment on any video. You're already here. Hit the subscribe button and leave a comment on this video. Tell us you like it or tell us you hate it. Either way, you're in the giveaway if you subscribe and comment. With that being said, let's get started, folks. So here we have a 3-wheel Buzzaround Extreme. They make a 4-wheel. The process is exactly the same, whether you have the 3 or the 4-wheel. We're going to upgrade it from a 35 amp hour sealed lead acid battery to a 46 amp hour Dakota Lithium battery. It's lithium iron phosphate to be exact. These are very safe. They have an 11-year warranty. They have a battery management system. These aren't like the lithium batteries in the Samsung phones that used to blow up, so you don't have to worry about spontaneous combustion. You do need to worry about getting a lithium battery charger if you want to charge your lithium batteries using the same charging port on the Buzzaround scooter. So make sure you not only get the batteries if you're going to upgrade, but make sure you also get the lithium battery charger. And what I'd recommend is a digital voltmeter that plugs into the charging port. So that way you can keep track of the voltage. You're probably never going to run out of batteries if you charge it regularly, but that's one way to keep track. Now, what you're going to need to do first is take apart the battery box. There's 2 battery boxes and there's 8 screws along the bottom of the battery boxes. So just remove the battery boxes by the handle, turn them upside down on a workbench or on a table, and remove the 8 screws like we're showing you here. Once all 8 screws are removed, you can take the lid off the battery box. Remember, there's 2 battery boxes. So the first one we're working on here, we just remove the top part and we're exposing the sealed lead acid battery. You will need to remove the wiring harness. There's a positive cable, which is red, and a negative cable, which is black. And those are attached to the battery terminal posts with a nut and bolt and a few washers and locking nut. So once you have those removed, you'll need either a socket adjustable wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, potentially a flathead depending on the type of bolts that were used for the batteries that came with your scooter. Just go ahead and do what you need to do to disconnect the wiring harness from the positive and negative posts, aka the terminals. Once they're removed, you can just go ahead and remove that heavy old battery. Now, before we get any further in this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. It's got our latest products, discount codes, and more. If you want a copy, go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You can also call our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you, or click on the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog. Keep in mind, we have several locations, so if you have a question, come on by one of our stores, or again, call our sales line with the number below. We'd love to earn your business. Now let's get back to the video. Now, what we're going to do here is weigh the old 35 amp hour sealed lead acid battery. As you can see, it weighs over 22 pounds, and that's just for one battery. And if we compare that to the Dakota Lithium 46 amp hour battery, it only weighs 10.4 pounds, less than half. So it's pretty amazing that they're not only going to weigh 50% less, but they're also going to give you twice the amount of distance on a full charge. So go ahead and slide them right in. They're the exact same size. They're designed to fit into these battery cases. And by the way, you could do this with any scooter or wheelchair that uses 35 amp hour sealed lead acid batteries, also known as U1 sealed lead acid batteries. So if you have a scooter or a wheelchair that comes with U1 batteries, those are technically 12 volt, 35 amp hour batteries, and you can upgrade them to the 46 amp hour Dakota Lithiums. And what we're doing now is just reconnecting the positive and the negative terminals and the wiring harness to the new battery. Just make sure you put the red cable to the positive and the black cable to the negative. Otherwise, as you might imagine, nothing will work. So just make sure, if you're not used to changing batteries or you're not used to working with batteries, that you take pictures and kind of pay attention to where the plus and the negative side on the batteries are. Again, the red goes to positive with the plus sign. The black wire goes to negative with the negative cable, the black cable. Obviously, that's something that most people will know if you're watching these types of DIY videos, but I do need to explain it. What's nice is that the battery case also has a diagram on it. You can see it on the screen now. So if you're not sure, you can always use that diagram. And we have tons of DIY videos related to battery upgrades, so feel free to check them out. Now that we have the new battery installed, we're just going to put the lid back on the case, turn the case on its side, get it upside down, and put those 8 screws back in. Just take your time. Don't over tighten those screws, by the way, because they are going to be tightened into a plastic housing with plastic threading. And from experience, I know that if you tighten too much, you can strip out that threading because it is plastic, and then your screws will just keep on turning in infinitely, and it'll seem like they're never getting tight. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure you tighten just enough to where it's snug. Don't over tighten it and make that mistake. All right, so we got the cases, both of them upgraded. We're only showing you one, but the process is identical. There's 2 battery boxes. Both contain one 12-volt battery, and you just plug them into the port there. Now, make sure before you use your scooter, charge your batteries fully. So I would say give it about a good 10-hour charge before you actually take it for a ride, and then you're good to go. You're ready to ride your Buzzaround Extreme, and you're probably going to get well over 35, possibly 40 miles or more, depending on the terrain type, of course. Don't forget, you do need that lithium battery charger. It's going to be a 3.5 amp lithium charger rated for 24 volts. We do sell them. I will put the links to all of these products in the description of this video. I'll also throw it on the right-hand corner at the top of the screen right now, so you could shop online. We'd love to give you a discount. Please let us know if you're interested or if you have any questions. Go to the comment section. If you post a question in the comment section, we will reply within 1 business day. Again, folks, I'm Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. We appreciate you watching this video. We appreciate your support. Until next time, everybody, have a great day.